So I'm going to bring you behind the scenes today of our shot that we did earlier. It's a bright sunny day, so we chose to use natural light. Unfortunately, if you look at the table right now, it looks a little bit darker and cloudier. But earlier when we were shooting it, we had really beautiful direct sunlight, and it was coming through the windows, and a lot of dappling was created because of the trees outside. So there was a lot of nice highlights that were actually coming through on the flowers, on the table itself. It was dark in the front of the image, so we chose to add the 4x4 silver reflector. And with the silver reflector, it just adds a little bit more of a pop and a little bit of contrast to it. So that way it just beautifully filled the entire front of the image so it wasn't so dark.
Yeah. Hey guys, I'm going to take you over to the monitor where you can see the final image. Like Miss had said, it was bright and sunny. We had that beautiful dappling. And that's one of the things about shooting with daylight is that there are so many variables and it can change literally at any second. So I'm glad that we were able to get this shot this morning because the light is just gorgeous. Let's talk about the settings a little bit. So we wanted to add some nice separation between this tablescape and these beautiful props against the background. So we're shooting pretty shallow f3.2. The focus is centered right around here, so not central to the image, but really we wanted the eye to start here to move back from there. ISO 200, it's very bright in here. The studio is pretty white and the sun was just coming like full strength through those windows. And then our shutter speed's at 1/80th of a second. And as you can see, it's a really beautifully exposed image. We did a beautiful job on his composition. So glad to have him in the studio again. And thanks for tuning in.
We hope you join us next time. Thanks, guys.